My hair is getting thick, y'all. Welcome to this video. This month, February, is my month of deep conditioners, y'all. My hair is high porosity hair, so it is what it is. So we're gonna make it do what it do. But this week we are going to do bam! Thank God it's natural. Yes, this is my first time trying this product actually. So I'm about to see how, oh, this smells so good. How amazing this will work on my hair as a deep conditioner. I don't know what style I'm gonna do yet. I might just do my regular curls. If y'all see me looking over here, I'm not crazy. I'm looking at my mirror and my beauty binder. So I'm about to go ahead and part my hair into quadrants and we's gonna get it popping. Look how thick my hair has gotten, y'all. Like, God. It went from that little nub. I'm gonna try to see if I can have a picture of when I first big chopped. It was pretty drastic for me because my hair has always been long. So when I first did it, people probably were like, big chop where? But it was big to me because like it wasn't even right here. So it was big to me. No. Like y'all saying something. Like y'all arguing with me or something. I always mix my aloe vera gel with all my deep conditioners, so this one ain't about to be excluded from it, but one day I might try it without just to see. But I just love the aloe vera gel. It's just perfect for everything, for your skin, for your health, for your hair. It's just an amazing thing. Watch, y'all about to hear my dog bang on my door. Like he ain't got no sense. I swear. Hold on, y'all. Ooh. It's more water-based, I guess you can say. I gotta try this over. I like this. Y'all see the slip? That's without the aloe vera gel. Put a little bit of aloe vera gel on it. I may not need the aloe vera gel. This is amazing. This is amazing. Well, I'm about to go ahead and apply it all to my head. Sit underneath my hooded dryer for its 15 minutes. But comment down below which condition y'all like. Oh my God. It's defining my curls so magnificently. I'm in love with it. You can find this at Walgreens or at your local Target. But I was bamboozled because when I went online to check, it showed Target. It was $13.99. I got to Target. That mug said $17. I'm like, okay. You're doing this for your people, for your YouTube community. I don't have hardly no followers, but I do thank all the ones who do follow me and support me and like my videos and comment. Trust me, you guys are the first ones who will come up and I will remember you when it comes to giveaways, because that's one thing I want to start doing this year. But I do, again, thank and appreciate my 47 subscribers. Comment down below also which hair videos you want me to do, or if you have any other videos you want me to do, like mukbangs or getting to know me, Q&As. Put that down below and I will definitely do one of those videos. yeah, I'm about to go ahead and finish this up because I know y'all won't watch me do all these. And then I will holla at y'all in a minute. Y'all, this had so much slip till I had nothing but product and water on my floor. This is crazy. I love it. I ain't complaining. Look how juicy my twists are. Focus. Don't show out. Guys. So I'm about to sit underneath the dryer for 15 minutes, fix me a plate to eat, and I'll be back with more. But I'm in love with this so far. This is about to be my number one. I can't wait to see the outcome.
Purchase your tracks today.
Watching my wife and kids. Y'all used to watch this show? Or do y'all still watch this show? I love this show. I haven't seen all the episodes, of course. Okay. I want to try Tgin's in jail. I heard that's what's up too. I don't know, it's kind of making me, the way the twist is coming out, it's making me want to retwist it and just do a twist out. But I might do that next time. So I'm about to do the rest of my head and I will be back. But so far, it's extra moisturized. The more moisturized, the more defined my curls are, I notice. So it did its thing, y'all. It did its thing. So I will go ahead and finish the rest of my hair and get back with you in a minute. Yo, I tell you. So for me, in order to get a healthy looking, nice, defined wash and go, would be starting with a great conditioner, co-wash, but mainly your deep conditioner. That makes the difference, because with the moisture and it locking in that moisture helps it to stay defined as well as stay moisturized, so your curls come out looking nice and moisturized. So I definitely would give Tgin a whole 10 up in this thing because I'm amazed by it. Look at the definition. Look at the definition of my curls. Like, really. I know it's still wet right now, so I'm gonna give it a week. Normally, like I said in my other video, normally I'll wear it down for like a few days, and then the next few days I'll put it up in a puff or try to do like a little style.
Purchase your tracks today.
But hopefully it stays defined like this. I love it. I wish I could get my curls to stay stretched out, but y'all know my hair is a 4, so 3/4, so it shrinks all the way up, and it's high porosity hair. So like I said, give this a 10 because I'm in love with it. Again, it's the Honey Miracle hair mask. I heard they have a new one though, like a repair conditioner. I'm gonna have to try them another time too, because they didn't have any at Target when I went. But this is amazing. This is a keeper. I will be buying this again once I run out. And I didn't use a lot, as you can see. I didn't use a lot at all, and I could tell it worked because before I even put my aloe vera gel, it was like the slippage was real. Hit the flow so quick. So I cannot wait to do styles and just I don't know, I just love it. I've never tried them before, so that is it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Comment if you've ever tried any of their products, which is your favorite product, because I haven't tried any of their products. This is it. So because this was bomb, I'm gonna get like the gel and the conditioner. I might try the shampoo, though I'm not a shampoo girl. So let me know if you tried this or if you would try this. Like I said, I got mine at Target. They have it at Walgreens too. At Target it was 17 something, so it was like $18. But it's worth it. To me, it was worth it. So that is it, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to your girl, and I will continue to be putting out videos every single Friday. Month of February is my deep conditioner month. If you have not seen my first one, go and check it out. It was with Ozzy, and I hope you enjoyed that one too. I had a little style with it. So I will see you guys in the next one. Again, thanks for your support and thanks for watching. Bye.